Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock Cinnamoroll Crepe Recipe in Heartopia X Sanrio Characters Event. Okay, first you're going to go to this menu and join the Sanrio Characters Gacha Machine. You're going to go to this menu and go to Gacha Machine, and the machine is here. And then you just need to click on this machine to claim your rewards, but now I can't use it because I've already claimed the rewards for today. It needs cooldown time. Okay, and once you click all the gacha machines, you're going to click on this menu, go back to the Sanrio Characters Gacha Machine, and you're going to claim the Cinnamoroll Crepe Recipe here, and then just go back to your home. Then you're going to use your normal stove to cook Cinnamoroll recipe. To cook Cinnamoroll crepe. Alright, I'm going to use my normal stove, and then I'm going to choose the Cinnamoroll Crepe Recipe. We need this wheat, butter, egg, and also coffee beans. Okay, hold on guys. Done. And this is the first time I make Cinnamoroll Crepe. Okay guys, and that's how we can unlock the Cinnamoroll Crepe Recipe in Heartopia X Sanrio Characters Event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!